Okay guys, we are going to start doing some business cards on this entry to Photoshop. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to set up my document. And the way to set that up is I'm going to go to File and New. And I need to do a few things to set my document up right so when it prints, it doesn't print all pixelated and it looks highest quality possible. So the first thing I'm going to do is name my business card. And you can name it whatever you want, doesn't matter. There's all these different presets. We'll leave it at custom. And then we also have width and height and resolution and color mode. Those are really, really important. So we're going to change this from pixels right now to inches. And the width is going to be 3.75 and the height is 2.25 with a resolution of 300 DPI. Now, you could go higher like 600, but 300 will print and look great. The other really important thing is if you're doing anything with print, you need to change the color mode to CMYK and not RGB. Now, the reason that it's a 3.5 by 2 business card, so the reason I'm adding a little extra is for crop marks, for the printer to be able to crop them down. So now that I've done that, I'm going to change my background to a white background and I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Now you can see I've got my card here, but I don't really have any crop marks or anything like that to help me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab onto the click and drag from the ruler and I'm going to go in 0.12. Well, it doesn't quite get where I want it, but I'm going to go 1, 2, as close as I can to 125, which is 1, 3, and then I'm going to do another one just a little bit further for image safe area, so that it's going to cut this line, but this line I don't want anything past it, just in case text gets cut off the business card. Same thing here. We'll bring it down, and again, we'll get as close as we can to that, and we'll do the same here. And bring in a crop mark so that it doesn't get... This is just, there's a lot of different templates out there online. Depending on the printer, they may have you choose a different size. So again, we'll get as close as you can. Now I drag right here, but I want it to go horizontal, so I'm just going to hold down the Option and it changes to a horizontal instead of vertical line. And it looks like about right there. So now I have a document. I'm going to go ahead and Command S for save, and I'll just save it on the desktop for right now. So there is my business card. So this is how you set up a document for print, for business cards. Now we can start to put text in here. We can create new layers and add things. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you in the next video how to actually start to create the business card. But it's very important to realize that when you set up a new document, you want to make sure that it always follows CMYK, because your blacks will print gray if not. And the other thing is add the bleeds, because if not, when you go to upload it, it's not going to fit right. You're going to have to scale it up, and then it's going to cut off your images, and you don't want that to do that. And then the other thing that's nice is to set up your image safe or text safe area. Now you can do something else while we're here. I might as well show you. You can save this as a preset. So if you do a lot of business cards, then you may want to save it, and now I have it as a preset. So if I go up here, I can just do that and it'll open a new file. So I'll show you a new. I'm going to go to my preset. It automatically fills it up and hit OK. Boom, there I go. Now I have my document set up exactly how I want it.